Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Ayyan and today I have Abiha with me.
Hi guys!
And we're gonna be making some pancakes and waffles. And so today we're gonna do an experiment with waffles if we can make them in the sandwich maker, and with pancakes we're gonna use pan.
So guys, we're ready with all the ingredients. This is Ayyan's side and this is my side.
So I've already taken out the mix of the pancakes and waffles. So let's get started on making them. Now I've filled the cup with mix, and now I'll pour it in the bowl, and now I'll get the milk and do the same thing. And pour it at level. So now I will put the milk and then add the tablespoon of oil which I have already measured, and the batter should. So now let's mix it. So the batter should be thin, and we will add oil too. So my waffles are in the sandwich maker now, and now let's move on to Abiha because it will take some minutes to cook.
So Ayyan waffles are being made, so let's do my batter. So we're gonna take our flour and put it inside our mixture. We're gonna put it inside. That's good. And we're gonna put it inside our bowl. So I'm gonna put my water, cold water, inside my. Put some oil in the pan. So I'm gonna take butter and I'm gonna put it. So I flipped one of them and it looks so good.
So my waffles are ready, and one is broken, but I'm sure the other two taste fine.
We have raspberry sauce and caramel sauce. You can choose whichever you want. I'm gonna go with caramel sauce.
And I'm going to go with raspberry sauce.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.